The recipe calls for a half a cup of vinegar. This is against my better judgment. I want to put a quarter cup in, but we are adding a cup of whipped cream later. Oh my God. A half a cup of vinegar? Can I put in 3/4 of that? Let me think. That's a lot of vinegar, man. Let me put in a quarter cup. We can always add vinegar later. Let's break the recipe. Let's go a quarter cup. Oh! That's a lot of vinegar. All right. I can smell it. All right. 3 yolks. We're gonna cook it. All right, here we go. Oh! We just want it to thicken up. It says to heat like a custard. I didn't know if we should use a double boiler. We're just going to use a low heat. And as soon as it's thickened, we'll take it off the heat. I like the color. It asks for a saltspoon of salt. Now the internet tends to say a saltspoon is a 1/4 teaspoon. But we can always add salt later. We get to use our Echo beater. We're going to make whipped cream. When this cools down, probably we'll put it in the fridge. I'm going to turn the heat to low and take it off the heat. I don't want scrambled eggs. All right. All right. I think we are done with this. When this cools down, we'll be back to make the whipped cream.
We are back to make the whipped cream? Our echoey turnip. Not used it yet. Here we go. Whipped cream. Oh. Hey. Oh, make it whipped cream. I think we have whipped cream. We have whipped cream. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's take a spoon. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. All right, we're done. How do you get it off? How do you get out of there? Whoa. Hey. Whipped cream. My first whipped cream.
This is egg salad from 1888, my friends. With half the vinegar. This was my dad's vintage spoon. He only had a couple of these. It's a vintage spoon. Let's try it. I have no idea what this is going to taste like. Here we go. Wow. It's sweet. I think I'm glad I didn't put all that vinegar in. It would have been a lot more soupy. I gotta try it again. Wow, that's different. It does need a little more salt. Let's add a little salt. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon more salt. That would make a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I think it's too fluffy to put in a sandwich. Maybe you could put it on top of buttered toast? Very interesting, isn't it? Isn't it? Very interesting stuff. There's too much salt now. Damn it! Maybe if it's on the bread, though, it won't be. Actually, maybe it's perfect. That little bit of salt is bringing out the vinegar somehow. I want to keep eating it. It's very strange. It's fluffy egg salad. I'm a little confused. It's too fluffy for a sandwich. It's not too fluffy for 2 buttered open pieces of bread. What's it gonna taste like? It looks really nice. Let's try this one. No, let's try this one. On buttered toast. Wow. Wow. Oh, come on. Tell me this isn't kind of fun. Here we go. Wow. Totally has an egg salad vibe. What if we put cream cheese in instead of whipped cream? put less sugar. It's not bad sweet, but it's a completely new experience. I think the 1/4 cup of vinegar is good because you can tell there's vinegar, but it's not overpowering. Just another bite. I really like it. What if we put a little pepper on it? Looks nice. It looks nice with the pepper. What about a little paprika? Oh. Oh, paprika. Yeah. Here we go. Wow. What if you just pick it up? Hey! Thanks for joining me this Tuesday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Freaking air conditioner! Thanks for watching.